Hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to compare two AI website generator. With the help of you can generate your web portals, CRMs, website, web apps, or even the mobile apps. So you remember few days back I have created a detailed video on the rollout, how you can use this AI website generator to generate the many things, whether it's your web portals, CRMs, dashboard, e-commerce sites, mobile apps, or even the presentations. Then there's also a similar tool I have found it on the App Store with the lifetime deal, that is the Stunning. So the both of the tools have the similar pricing. You can see the rollout pricing is the $59 one time for the lifetime deal, and the Stunning is also available with the $59 one time payment for the lifetime deal here. So in this video I'm going to compare both of the AI website generators, show you and talk about what are the differences, what are the cool features about them, and if you are going to buy, which one you should select here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So first I am going to show you the websites I have created with the Stunning and the rollout. So this is the Stunning dashboard you can see, and I have created two websites. These are the two different niches. So first one we have this salon website I have created, and it is the multi-page website. Let me talk about it. So you can see the loading speed is really good. Let me tell you, this is the most important part. All the website you are going to generate, whether it's the Stunning or the rollout, they are going to be hosted self on the both platforms. You are going to get free hosting, SSL, and all the important website loading resources on these AI website generator. So our website is loaded here, and you can see we have the multiple these working pages available. First let me show you how this looks like. Okay, and I am really stunned with the designing here, the layout here, the animations, and this is the pretty much ready to publish website. For example, if I go to the services page, you see all the services is already built within the same website. I don't need to just create the different pages each one by one here. All the fully functional and related relevant pages are generated. Okay, and like I said, this website is ready to publish. I just need to do a little changes. Like if I go to the contact, I have to add the contact details. If I go to the about us, I have to just add some my brand details here, and I'm ready good to go publish it. This is the second advantage I'm talking about. So this is the website I have created. So let me load this website again. This is for the cold outreaching services I have just created here, and you can see the page loading speed is pretty much good. And this is the hero section, and if I scroll down below, here's also a video automatically added with the help of this AI. Let me go till the end. Here's the pricing, here's the FAQ section, and this is the footer part. So there are the few things I also need to change, like the logo, like these pages, whether the information is suitable for me or not. Let me also scroll or open any of these pages. See, these pages are working or not. Okay, so many pages are not working on this website, but I can just make it solved with the help of AI. So I have gave you two examples. First one, we have all the pages ready good to go and the publish, and the second one I have to do a little bit changes, and I have to also add the few more pages. So you can see I'm pretty much stunned with the Stunning platform, and there are so many cool features also available in this platform, like AI marketing, AI blogs, AI SEO, and there's also the CRM section available. Okay, so this is the Stunning. Now let me talk about the rollout. So this is the rollout platform, and here you can see you can use this platform to generate, whether it's your web page, means the website, you want to generate the dashboard, CRMs, or your client portals, or the project management, you can easily generate with the help of this one. Then we have the e-commerce stores, mobile app I can create. Whether I want to launch a personal blog, I can do that. There's also the resume or the portfolio kind of the website I can create. And here are the example. First, let me show you an e-commerce store I have created here. So this is the sneaker e-commerce store I have created. Let me scroll down below. This is the few example. This is the category. This is the innovation, our mission, and here's the ending. You can see there is no image or the animation available. Okay, so I must admit, in the rollout, there's no image or animation this AI website generator add in your website. Plus the pages, you can see if I click here, the page is not working. Although website is generated, but relevant or the related pages are not built there. I have to individually create them in the rollout. Now let me talk about this second example. At this time I have created a dashboard, means the CRM for managing my projects, team members, or the client. So this is how it look like. So the client portal it has created for me, I am really impressed with that, but still there is the disadvantage I have found it. For example, you can see all the important aspect in this single platform. For let me go to the project and it will scroll down till the end. Let me go to documents and it will scroll to that section. But if I want to add a new document here, let me click here on the upload, and this function is not working. Same thing, I want to add a new project, let me click here, again this function is not working. Although you are getting a really good wireframe or the your client management, you have just ask it to build, it is going to build for you, but many things you will find it not functional. You have to do a lot of the manual things and re-ask the AI to build that function here. Okay, so a lot of the your user manual is going to be happen in the rollout, but while in the stunning I am really impressed here, because if you are going to give it the detailed prompt with the all the pages you want or the information in that pages, it is going to build for you. So as for the all-in-one AI website generator with all the information you want, Stunning is better, I found it here. While in the rollout, what I found it here, it has the more things you can generate. Whether you want to generate an e-commerce store, mobile app, or resume, portfolio, website. So there are so many varieties available, you can select and start generating. So this is the advantage available in the rollout. And you want to see what are the other features, let me also talk about from the Stunning. So this is the Stunning dashboard, and here in the website you can have to just click here on the create website, and after that you have to give the information like service name, description, and the requirements. Make sure you give the detailed prompt information here to generate all the things you want in your website, and it's going to make it happen for you. Then if I go to the agency, here it is going to show you if you want to build the website for your clients, it is going to show you under in the agency section. Then here are the other features available for marketing, like in the AI marketing is going to show you the things that you can generate with the AI, like you want to generate the content or blog post. Okay, so first you have to select the website from here, and after that you have to enter your prompt, like you want to generate the service or your cold outreaching copy or landing page copy or your blog post. Simply ask it here and click on the generate, it will generate. So that's what its AI content marketing section will do. Then in the AI blogs, it is going to generate the blog post for you. It is also going to show you the ideas, topics that you can include in your blog. Then this is for the AI SEO. Basically it is going to show you all the SEO errors, and in this single click using its AI SEO feature you can remove them. So this is what its AI section do for you. Then there's also the right now it's in the coming mode, okay, coming soon mode. Okay, then this is the AI agency builder pro. So this is the another feature that we will see in the future. So these are the core features you will see in the Stunning here, and let me tell you, I am personally liking the Stunning over the rollout. Now let me talk about the other features of the rollout. So if I go to the projects, here you will see all the websites or the apps you have created, and from here you can edit them, or in the settings you can go to the more things you can explore in that website. Like you want to add more pages, you have to click here on the pages and you have to start creating those pages. In the general you will find more information, and here's the SEO part. Here you have to just add the title, description, keywords. Basically this is for the your SEO purpose, and there is no AI part involved. Only the AI part involved in the your generation part here. Then we have the showcase. So in the showcase it is going to show you all the website that generated by the other users. Then this is the generate section where you are going to use its AI to generate these things. So this is all the core features of the rollout. And you see, I know you are also liking the Stunning here, but I think there is some your personal objective with the rollout, so you can find it here. And if you want a detailed video on the rollout or the Stunning, like showing the process, demonstration how I use these platforms to creating the website, I suggest watch these videos. So this is the rollout detail video on my channel, and this is the Stunning detail video with the demo and the tutorial. So both of the videos link I will add in the description. And now let me tell you which AI website generator you should select here. So I suggest go with the Stunning, although it is only going to offer you to creating the website, but the website you are going to generate with it is really mind-blowing, fully functional. All the pages will be there will be the images, animations, and the best part, the higher details you will add in your prompt while generating the website, it is higher quality of the website is going to help you to generate. Plus don't forget its AI other features like AI content marketing, blog generator, AI SEO, and there's also the few features that we will soon see in the their fully functional mode here. So that's why I like the stunning. And let me now talk about the rollout. All the website is good, but there are these few things they need to improve. Like they can't able to generate the all the pages. Still you have to do a lot of the manual things while adding the images, animations, and the different parts. You have to play a lot of the AI to fully functional website. That's why in this single click, if you want a fully functional website generator, go with the stunning, because in the same pricing I like the stunning here. Okay, so if I go to the plans and features of the stunning, its pricing starting from the $59, and the limits you can see in the $59 you can create the two website. You are going to get the hosting, SSLs, all custom domain you can connect here, and all the features I have showed you, you are going to get starting from this single tier plan. But if you go to the higher plans, that is starting from the agency plan, if you are going to serve your clients with the website building services, then it is starting from the $429. And in the single tier plan you can create up to the 50 website with the unlimited pages, collaborators, or the custom domain features. These things you are going to get. So if you want to check it out, a stunning lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you want to watch a detailed video on the stunning with the tutorial and the demo, I suggest watch this video. The link will be given in the description. And if you also want to check it out, the rollout, this tool is good, but you have to play a lot here. So this tool link also given in the description, and there are also the free gifts I am giving out, both of the AI website generators. So make sure you check it out in the description. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this comparison. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated with these kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.